with Gunnar, I wanted to just talk a little bit about the relevance and the importance of biofuels as part of the future fuel mix. As you know, the main driver of the current green energy transition the industry is going through is the IMO targets that have to be met, and also FuelEU Maritime regulations. In addition to that, we have the EU ETS already being in place, and also we have companies' ESG targets. So these will be the main drivers to implement and to adopt greener fuels, alternative fuels to the shipping industry. And what we see here is that part of the solution will be a mix of different fuels and alternative solutions, such as biofuels and LNG for the short to midterm. But then later on, we will see also green methanol and green ammonia being introduced as solutions. And eventually, there will not be just one single product being the final solution, but the solution will be a mix of different products and different fuels, alternative fuels, where we believe that biofuels will play a very significant role, not just for the short and midterm, but also potentially as a pilot fuel in the long term for the ships that are running, that are going to run on green methanol and green ammonia. If we look into the new orders in the order book here, the majority of the vessels on water today are running on conventional fuels, and those vessels will still be there for many more years. So they can only decarbonize by using biofuels. We see some LNG vessels as well. And of course, if you look into the new orders on a gross tonnage basis, a big amount will be replaced by alternative fuels, such as green methanol, ammonia in the future. But until then, and also looking at the shipyard capacity, we believe the majority of the vessels on water will run on conventional fuels, and they can only decarbonize by using biofuels. So we believe also in the mid to long term, and here looking at the 2030 outlook, that around 20% of the fuel being used in shipping will be alternative fuels, mainly biofuels and LNG. And then later on, after 2030, we will see green methanol and ammonia coming in as well. Biofuels, the advantage is, of course, it's an immediate and viable solution that has been used already in other sectors and been proven and matured. It can contribute to around 25 to 90% greenhouse gas emission reduction, depending on the type of blends that are used. It's a so-called drop-in fuel, so it is very similar in terms of the parameters to marine gas oil. So it can be used in ship engines without any significant modifications of the engines.